Hello everyone, welcome to sonarqube tutorial. So today we'll be learning about SonarLint, which is a developer-friendly tool which can be installed in any of the IDE like Eclipse or IntelliJ, and we will see how it will detect the code quality and security issues. So for our tutorial, I am using IntelliJ. You can go ahead and install any IDE of your choice. So let's get started. So these are the prerequisites. So first is like we need an IDE tool like Eclipse or IntelliJ or any other tool of your choice which supports this SonarLint. Then we need a laptop which should be having any OS like Linux, Mac, or Windows. We may require a GitHub or Git client if you want to check out the code. Then SonarLint we have to install in the IDE, and the other requirement is JDK 1.8 plus. So any higher version or equivalent version of JDK 1.8 should be fine. So before getting started, let's understand what SonarLint is. So SonarLint is a free IDE plugin which is developed by SonarSource. Uh, it is a developer-friendly tool which helps the developers to maintain the coding standards and best practices, follow it, and also it also helps to fix the known vulnerabilities and bugs. So it provides a clear guidance or on how to fix the code or issues detected. The project is analyzed with the help of SonarQube server running on the cloud, that is Sonar Cloud, or your local machine if you're running the SonarQube, whatever your company uses, or whatever you are using for your local development, you can use that. You just need to configure various settings and it will fetch all the rules and quality profiles from there, and it will analyze your project in your local machine or laptop. So let's get started. This is how we will install the SonarLint plugin. So as I have already installed IntelliJ, so we'll be going ahead and using that. So you can check out any source code of whichever you wish. I have already downloaded a source code and configure it as my project. So IntelliJ in IntelliJ, either you can use any source code, available source code on your local machine, or you can use Git to download it. So you can explore on that. So if suppose you have the source code locally, you can just go file, open, and you can just open the projects. So this is our project which we'll be analyzing. Now we need to install the SonarLint. For that we need to go to in if you're using Mac, you need to go to intelligent preferences, plugins, and here in the marketplace we need to search for SonarLint. It is an open source plugin, so everybody can install it, and it is developed by SonarSource. Here we can see. So the installation is done. Once the installation is done, we just need to restart the IDE. Just click on the button here. Cool. So the installation is done and most of the part is done for that. Now what we need to do is we need to configure it to for our project. So what we can do is first we need to check whether the sonar is available here. This actually the icon displays here. So let's search for it. We can search from here. Yeah, it is enabled. Let's click on enable again. Yeah, it's enabled. Click on OK. Let me restart once more. Yep, so now we can see the SonarLint icon here. Now for the configuration part, let's go here and just click on the configure SonarLint the tools icon here, and here you need to provide uh, the connection where you want to connect to the SonarQube server. So let's go ahead and click on the configure the connection. Okay, so here I will add a new one. As I am running the SonarQube server on my local at 9000 port, so I am running it. So I've just mentioned the URL for that, and it's a SonarQube connect to server. Oh, sorry, here it should be the name, so let me copy it and paste it here. Here I can give my local sonar server. Okay, just click on next. Now you need to go and generate a token in SonarQube and provide it. So just go here, my account, security, and my local. So just copy the token here and you can paste it here and next, finish. So that's it. This is the part for setting the SonarQube. Now here in the connection you need to select the uh, so this is the one which we configured, and as of now I have only one project, so I have selected that for analysis. Okay, okay, so the setting part is done. Now we will go to the project here and right click on it and just click on SonarLint, analyze the sonar with SonarLint. Just proceed. So we can see the couple of issues which is it has displayed. So like let's see what is the issue with this. So here once you click on this, it will display the actual issue in the file. So the title should be present in all pages. So uh, it seems this is the coding standard best practice followed. So we don't have a title in this HTML page, so it displays it as major bug. So if you don't think so it is a major bug after reviewing with your peers and all, you can just go ahead and uh, commit it. But as a best practice from the SonarQube profile and other things, and even from the HTML best practices, the title is required. So it says how to resolve this issue, like and what is the non-compliant code. So anywhere if we have the HTML and the body tag and we don't have the title tag in that, so it says that it is non-compliant. So how to make it compliant? Now for making it compliant, we need to add a title tag to this page. So we can add it anywhere. So let me add it here, my page. Yep, let me save it and we will run the analysis again. Proceed. And here if you see, like it also displays like what is the issue. Titles are important because they are displayed in search engine result as well as the browser toolbar. So this rule verifies that the head tag contains a title and the HTML tag a head one. So basically I have placed it here after the HTML. It is better to have it after head, which should resolve the issue. Let's save it and we will run it again. So we can see, yeah, this is how the issue is resolved. Now if you go to any other files, now what it says is this is the minor issue, this is the code smell, and how it is that it has given all the description and why it has raised the issue. what is the non-compliant code example, and how to resolve it. So everything is mentioned here, from which the developer can train himself or learn the best coding practices, uh, which will help him to optimize the code before sending it to the Git server or committing the code. Thanks for watching the tutorial.